Hi, it's December 4th, 2013. As of today, I've received no response from the Department of Justice to the Freedom of Information Act request I filed, which was dated April 30th of this year. Obviously, the government is failing at something if it's not honoring its Freedom of Information Act requests, and it's about this larger failure of government about which I'd like to speak to you. Speech critical of government, for example political speech, is a freedom provided as a protection in the First Amendment. The First Amendment also includes the right to peacefully assemble and the right to petition the government for a redress of grievances. These rights are protections enshrined in the Bill of Rights. These are guarantees made to us by the U.S. government. The very idea of a republic implies rights conveyed to citizens to meet and consult one another and to petition their government if they so choose. How can citizens exercise their rights to free speech, to assemble, and to petition when the government restricts, delays, or prevents the sharing of information necessary for citizen activities? This is the beginning of the FOIA request I submitted in reference to the prosecution against Lieutenant Daniel Choi. Since the Department of Justice refuses to honor this FOIA request, I myself and the readers of my blog are beginning to feel how our guarantees to free speech are being diminished, shortened, and restricted by conditions created by the government denying FOIA requests. Separate from any right under freedom of the press afforded to me as a blogger, there originates my right to free speech as a citizen. How can one review, consult, and comment on the actions and functions of one's own government if one is denied information? Denying us information prevents us from forming complete thoughts and speech, which in this case may include speech that is critical of the government. Refusing to honor FOIA requests denies citizens their rights to freely and completely speak, to fully consult with other citizens, and to peacefully and meaningfully assemble. Thwarting information violates our rights, protections, and guarantees in accordance with the design of our republic. This is what is at stake when the government refuses to honor requests filed under the Freedom of Information Act. And the implications are not limited to only to me or to the followers of my blog, but to every citizen.